Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. I did receive a lot of requests for another LSSTA. Probably because it actually broke trend and it came back to the bottom line of that recent channel. Um, as of right now, I'm still, like I said, I'm still bullish. I'm not really worried if it drops to like 135 or like 88 cents or whatever. I'll probably just buy more at these levels, right? All I'm looking for right now is another bull trigger on the 4 hour, which is probably going to happen sometime. Maybe today, like around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Maybe 1 o'clock, maybe like 5 in the afternoon. So sometime around I'm expecting, right? Unless there's like a big sell off again on LSS like this. Well, not a big sell off really, because it's already up like a crap ton, right? So if it does break this channel, this trending channel right now, it'll go down to 135, right? So you guys can see that it's actually, it found really good support on this channel. So if it does create a bullish trigger here, and the stochastic is already oversold, or at least around this level, I do think it's going to run all the way down. I don't think the stock is going to stop at 34. Let me see where's that at right now? 42.90. It might stop. I don't know, but we'll see. It might stop at this channel and then return to the upside. But all I'm waiting for right now is just for that 4 hour to close bullish right there. That's all I'm waiting for. Just waiting for the 4 hour to close bullish. Last time when that actually happened, when we were oversold, it was actually back here around 58 cents. And that's when you had that massive volume and you actually ran from 58 cents to 279. So all I'm waiting for is that same thing to happen. Um, I think when the 4 hour closes bullish, I think we'll start the push up again. I think we'll see at least like maybe $2.50 or possibly like $2.15, somewhere around that area. I'm expecting a move somewhere in this area after that 4 hour closes. And with volume, it can more than likely pass previous relative highs of 278 and possibly keep pushing forward. So we'll see what happens. As of right now, I'm not really bullish or bearish. I'm more so just waiting for that 4 hour trigger. If it does break here though, if it does break 172 or this trending channel, it's going to go down all the way to 135. If it breaks that on like the 4 or the daily candles, more than likely if you start creating bearish candles under here, it's going to go down to 88 cents. So you got to wait. You got to keep an eye out for that. But as of right now, still, I mean, it's still on a perfectly bullish channel. So we'll see what's going on after that 4 hour trigger to be bullish, and then we'll kind of go from the upside. But also keep in mind the daily is about to close bearish too, so that's probably not very good at all. But we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.